Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Well, if this is your first time as well, welcome. Don't want to miss you. Alright, today we are about to take a little ride. There's nothing too special about today except that this road is actually one of my favorite roads to ride here in Columbus. I'm not sure why I love it, but for some reason every time I actually go out for a ride, I seem to always end up on this road. I know it's a pretty nice road, especially like in the spring, summer and fall. The fall especially, when all the leaves are changing color. This road is beautiful. It's amazing. So this is Riverside. It's also called 33, and I've heard some people refer to it as Sayota something, but I know it as 33 and also Riverside Drive. So it runs from pretty much downtown, I want to say, and goes northwest of the city. So it goes through Dublin, almost through Powell and stuff like that, and it keeps going. I believe it goes all the way up to Delaware and ends on 36 or 37, one of those two roads. I know right now you're seeing trees with no leaves, nothing interesting to see, but like I said, in the spring, when of course everything, all the flowers are blooming and everything, it gets really pretty. But my favorite time to ride it is in the fall. But the fall is also a depressing time for me in the riding season, as it really indicates that the riding season is coming to an end. Yeah. Because I would definitely love to be able to ride all year around. So to me, this is the more interesting part of the road. It's nothing spectacular. It doesn't have any major twisties, but it does have some little curves, you could say. So I enjoy it. You know what? I'm actually not gonna talk too much, guys. I'm gonna let you enjoy the scenery of the ride. I'll probably cue some music on, something to keep you entertained. way, I go back this way because there's another road on the other side of the river that would take me down to 42. But I need to find gas. Thanks for taking that ride with me. So if you like the ride, definitely let me know. And if you happen to ride that same road, if you local here in Columbus, let me know. Let me know. Again, thanks for watching. So if you're out there riding, remember, ride safe.